There we go. Proper approach with the front loader. When you're loading a dump truck, you get pretty close, within a few feet, with that bucket nice and low to the ground to make sure you got good stability and visibility, and then raise it up, then make your final approach, dumping into the center of the dump truck bin. Raise that bucket back up to full extension, and then pull away before lowering so you don't ding the top edge of that dump truck. Then you lower it back down to traveling height, and you're back off on your way.